Did you know that there's a powerful remedy for joint pain rotting away in your fridge right now? And no, it's not some expensive pill or injection. It's a natural solution that costs less than your daily coffee, and it's been helping people just like you find relief. If you're into natural remedies, you're going to want to hear this. Let's be honest, joint pain can be downright frustrating. So many of us turn to expensive medications or even injections in search of relief. But what if I told you there's a simpler, cheaper, and more effective solution right at your local supermarket? I'm talking about a natural remedy that doesn't come with a hefty price tag or side effects. I've been testing this remedy with friends and family, and the results have been incredible. In fact, 87% of people reported feeling noticeable joint pain relief in just 3 weeks. I was one of those people. After struggling with knee pain for years, I finally found relief, and it cost me less than a cup of coffee. Stick around because I'm about to share the recipe that changed everything for me, and I know it can work for you too. For years, I struggled with knee pain. It started out as a dull ache, but soon it was so bad that just climbing stairs or sitting for long periods of time became unbearable. I was constantly reminded of my age, of the collagen in my joints breaking down, making it harder and harder to move without pain. I tried everything: expensive medications, knee braces, even injections. But nothing worked long term, and I was getting frustrated. I thought I was stuck with this pain forever. Then I found this simple, natural remedy. I was skeptical at first, but after just a few weeks, I noticed a difference. The pain in my knees started to fade, and I could move without that nagging discomfort. I could finally climb stairs again without wincing in pain. It was like I was getting my life back. Honestly, it felt like a miracle. If you're in the same boat, just know that there's hope. This remedy really worked for me, and it can work for you too. As we get older, something really important happens inside our bodies. The collagen production that keeps our joints flexible and pain-free starts to slow down. After we turn 30, our collagen levels drop by about 1.5% every year. So with each passing year, our joints get stiffer and more prone to pain. It's like the cushion in our knees and joints starts to wear out, making simple activities like climbing stairs or sitting for long periods harder and more painful. But here's the good news. This decline isn't irreversible. By giving our body the right nutrients, we can slow down or even reverse the effects of collagen loss. It's not just theory. Look at mountain people in Japan who experience fewer joint issues. Their secret? A diet rich in foods that support joint health and collagen production. So yes, it's possible to feel better, move more freely, and even fight aging naturally with the right approach. So you might be wondering, what's the solution? Well, it's actually simpler and cheaper than you'd think. The answer lies in a delicious natural juice made from just 3 ingredients: chayote, pineapple, and unflavored gelatin. These aren't just random ingredients. They're packed with nutrients that work together to help rebuild collagen, restore cartilage, and reduce joint pain. First, we have chayote. It's rich in vitamins and antioxidants that help boost collagen production and support joint health. Next is pineapple, which contains bromelain, an enzyme known for reducing inflammation and soothing joint pain. Finally, there's unflavored gelatin. Yes, the same thing you might think of for making jellies. But this ingredient is full of collagen-building properties that can help restore the cartilage in your joints. When you combine these 3 simple ingredients, you create a powerful natural remedy that works to reduce pain, increase mobility, and restore flexibility. And the best part? It costs less than $15, and you can find all of these at your local supermarket or farmer's market. No more expensive medications or supplements. Just a simple juice that could make all the difference in how you feel. Let's dive deeper into why these 3 ingredients, chayote, pineapple, and gelatin, work so well together to support your joint health. They're not just tasty, they're packed with nutrients that can help rebuild cartilage, reduce pain, and improve your overall mobility. Chayote. This vegetable is a hidden gem when it comes to joint health. It's rich in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen acts as the glue that holds your joints together, keeping them strong and flexible. Chayote also contains potassium, which helps regulate fluid balance and can reduce inflammation, easing joint pain. Plus, its antioxidants help protect your body from oxidative stress, which can wear down your joints over time. Pineapple. Pineapple is more than just a tropical fruit. It's packed with bromelain, a powerful enzyme that aids in protein digestion and enhances nutrient absorption. Bromelain also works as an anti-inflammatory, reducing swelling and joint pain. The best part? The highest concentration of bromelain is found in the core of the pineapple, which many people discard, but it's the secret powerhouse for your joints. Gelatin. Gelatin is derived from animal collagen, which makes it highly effective in rebuilding the collagen in your body. It's loaded with essential amino acids like glycine and proline, which are crucial for joint, skin, and overall connective tissue health. By replenishing lost collagen, gelatin can also improve your skin's elasticity, strengthen hair and nails, and reduce joint discomfort. Together, these ingredients work like a dream team. Chayote supplies the vitamin C to build collagen. Pineapple's bromelain helps break down proteins for better absorption. And gelatin provides the building blocks your body needs to rebuild and repair your joints. Each of these three ingredients, chayote, pineapple, and gelatin, has its own special role to play in supporting your joints and boosting collagen. But when you put them together, it's like they create a powerful team that works even better than any single ingredient could on its own. Chayote is the starting point, activating the production of collagen in your body. Its vitamin C content is like the spark that lights the fire, getting things moving. Then we have pineapple. It helps your body absorb all the nutrients from the other ingredients more efficiently, thanks to its enzyme, bromelain. Think of it as a helper, ensuring that your body gets the maximum benefit. Finally, gelatin provides the raw materials, the amino acids, that are the building blocks for new collagen. When these ingredients come together, they form a perfectly synchronized assembly line. Each one enhances the other's effects, making the whole process of rebuilding collagen and reducing joint pain more effective and powerful than if you were using just one ingredient alone. This synergy is what makes this juice so special. Making this joint-boosting juice is super easy and doesn't take much time at all. Here's how you can do it. First, gather your ingredients. 1 chayote, 1 pineapple, 1 tablespoon unflavored gelatin, 1 cup of water, and optional honey if you want to add some sweetness. Start by hydrating the gelatin. Mix it with 1/4 cup of warm water and let it sit for 5 minutes. After that, microwave it for 15 seconds to fully dissolve, making sure it blends smoothly with the other ingredients. Next, peel and chop the chayote into small pieces. For the pineapple, remove the top and bottom, peel off the skin, and cut the flesh into chunks. Don't forget the pineapple core. It's packed with bromelain, which is amazing for reducing inflammation. Now, add the chayote, pineapple, dissolved gelatin, and water to your blender. If you like a little sweetness, add a spoonful of honey. Blend everything on high for about 3 minutes. This will extract all the nutrients from the fibers, leaving you with a smooth and creamy drink. The key is blending long enough to get the perfect texture. And just like that, you've got a natural remedy for your joints. Drink up and enjoy the benefits. For the best results, it's important to drink this juice first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This is because when your stomach is empty, your body is better able to absorb nutrients, allowing you to get the most out of the ingredients. In fact, your body can absorb up to 60% more nutrients when you drink this juice before eating anything else. So, after you make your juice, sip it slowly and give it time to work its magic. You'll want to wait at least 20 minutes before eating anything else to allow your body to fully absorb all the nutrients and start the day off right. Drinking this juice on an empty stomach not only maximizes absorption, but also gives your body the jump start it needs, setting you up for a day full of energy and less joint discomfort. Try it out and feel the difference. To really get the most out of this juice and see lasting results, it's important to stay consistent. I recommend drinking it daily for the first 90 days to give your body the boost it needs. After that, you can reduce consumption to about 3 times a week to maintain those benefits. Also, how you store the juice matters. Keep it in a tightly sealed glass container. Glass helps preserve the nutrients better than plastic, especially with pineapple's acidity. Fill the container all the way to the top to limit air exposure and slow down oxidation. And here's a little tip. Add a few drops of lemon to help preserve the vitamin C. Trust me, consistency and proper storage will help keep you feeling great long term. Not a fan of the strong taste of chayote? No worries. You can easily tweak the recipe to suit your taste or add extra benefits. For a milder flavor, try replacing half of the chayote with cucumber. Cucumber is rich in silica, which works hand in hand with vitamin C to strengthen tissues and support joint health. If you're looking to boost the anti-inflammatory effects, adding ginger is a great idea. Ginger not only helps mask the flavor of quiote, but it also adds a warming spice and enhances the juice's anti-inflammatory properties. For those looking to support their skin health, try adding a spoonful of coconut oil. This will help improve the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients and provide essential fatty acids that protect your skin. For extra joint support, chia seeds are a fantastic addition, as they're packed with omega-3 fatty acids that help reduce inflammation naturally. You can also toss in turmeric powder to fight free radicals and protect skin elasticity. Feel free to mix it up to suit your needs. When you start drinking this juice, you might experience a few mild detox symptoms, especially in the first few days. Some people notice increased urination or even a bit of gas as the body adjusts to the new nutrients and starts flushing out toxins. Don't worry though, these symptoms are completely normal and usually only last 3 to 5 days. It's your body's way of resetting and getting rid of the built-up toxins. Just remember, this is a good sign. Your body is simply adjusting to the healthier, more nourishing diet. So hang in there. It's all part of the process. All right, it's time to take action. Give this juice a try and see how it works for you. Drink it daily for 7 days and let me know in the comments how you're feeling. I'd love to hear about your results. And hey, to thank you for engaging, the first 50 comments will get a special health guide with more tips to boost your wellness. Don't forget to save this video in your health collection for future reference and share it with friends or family who could really benefit from it, especially if they're dealing with joint pain. Taking care of your health naturally isn't just possible, it's more effective and accessible than most people realize. You deserve to live a vibrant, pain-free life, no matter your age. So, take control of your health today and start feeling better, stronger, and more energized than ever.